Good morning, guys. Welcome back to today's vlog. It is now, it's 8:40, so far, I just got downstairs. I already had breakfast. I edited yesterday's vlog, so that just went up about 20 minutes ago. And now I have to tend to touch shirts and package them again, like I do every morning, and then work. I didn't show you guys last time how I packaged tutus. You just saw the end result. So these are the baggies I use. Put the tutus in. Dang. Well, they're, I think, 12 by something baggies. And I get them off Amazon as well. I get almost everything I get off Amazon, honestly. So get those off Amazon, put the tutus in, and put them in the box. That way, like, I don't know. I do it just because I just don't want, if by chance you bought the box, it gets shipped and gets broken, ink gets on it, dirt gets on the tutu. I'd rather have everything packaged and safe so I have no issues. I'd rather be safe than sorry. I got a package from Amazon. So let me open that. This is a step stool, but it's for my daughter, so she can brush her teeth by herself. And got chargers for my phone because my charger broke. So I actually need to plug that up right now. So let me plug that up because I record on I record these videos on my phone. I have like a Canon, but it's so big. I don't want to use it. And the camera on an iPhone X, whatever the heck this is, XS Max. I don't know what it's called. It's so good. So I was gonna buy like a Sony like vlogging camera, but I feel like there's no point in spending the $700 when I already have a phone that has a great camera as well. Unless I was rich or something. So I'm plugging that up right now. Let's see. Okay, so that's plugged up. And it was a pack of 4, so a 10-foot, 6-foot, 6-foot, and a 3-foot. And I think it was $12 on Amazon, which is pretty good. And I got more, I get the tearaway stabilized. I don't, the cutaway, I don't like it because I feel like it gets too stiff on the shirt, and this tearaway seems to work best. I used to use World Weiner tearaway for the longest time until they were out, so I accidentally ordered this, and I love it. It's thin, and it's not hard like construction paper. It's like kind of like a fabric-y material, but you can still tear it. So this works a lot better. It doesn't show as much through the embroidery. And I got this off Amazon. This one is 100. I usually order the 200, but I stay on budget. And these are hangers, big kids hangers for my daughter's closet, because I want to start hanging all her clothes versus folding them, because she is, let's look at me. She's just big enough now. She's about to be 3 in a few months. So she's very tall for her age, gets that from her dad. So she just grabs everything out of her drawers, everything, and wants to find her clothes, and then everything is up on the floor. Then I have to clean it up, try to get her to fold it back up. She throws it back in. So I'm hoping if I put it on hangers, it won't get as wrinkled, and wishful thinking, but we'll see how that goes. And these were, I think, $20 for 600. Oh my God, 600 for 60. My husband just texted me. Gotta change our we have an ultrasound that was scheduled, but all of a sudden he has to work, and it's like the anatomy one, so they said it'd take about an hour. So he doesn't want to miss it, which I understand. I just hate calling and changing appointments, but I have to call and change it. I'm putting this stuff away. Let me put the tutus away. So I fold them in half. So fold them in half. And this. And I'll just put it in. I have, let me see. I have 3 tutus to make today. One, I don't have to make any of them today, but I feel like I should, just to get them done and out the way. Because I already made the shirts for them. Because like for the 1 needle I have, I can only fit like bigger shirts, so 14 and up shirts can fit on there, and then onesies can fit on there design wise. So I didn't really have anything that could fit on there besides onesie orders, because all the other orders are like unicorns, and those are too many colors for me to want to change on the 1 needle. So those always go on the 6 needle. So I'll do like Minnie Mouse, the like first birthday stuff on the 1 needle. So I did 2 extra shirts, 2 extra orders yesterday to go on there. So now I have to kind of touch the shirts I did yesterday, because I didn't finish them. If you saw on the last vlog, they were just embroidered, not finished. So I gotta touch them, package them, put them outside before 10 o'clock. And again, it's 8:50. So do that. There's one shirt that I don't even understand where it came from, but she needs it May 5th, and I'm pretty sure it's not even on my list of shirts to do. Luckily, I found it, so I'm gonna put it on the list. And it kind of has to ship today, so I'll have to make it now and hope the post office doesn't come at 10 o'clock, and hope they come maybe at 11. Yesterday, they didn't come till 12:30, so I have hope. Well, this person didn't even put the age. And that's what I don't understand. You have to put the age. I can't do anything if you don't put the age. Like, I mean, they ordered a 4T, and the picture is a number 4, but like, with my luck, I'll do a 4 and they need a 3 or a 5. So I didn't want to risk it, but people help you respond to your emails. And fast at that. I know it's kind of early. This person wants a number 10 on a shirt, and I don't usually do anything. It's like, because 10s don't really fit. I use the 8x8 hoop, and 10 plus a, design doesn't fit. So I just don't offer it. I just got 1 order today. Oh my goodness. So yesterday, I got so many orders. Like, the last week and a half has been horrible. Like, just horrible on Etsy. Like, I average get 5 to 8 orders a day. I think I was getting maybe 2 a day for like a week. It was horrible, horrible, horrible. So I changed up my entire shop. And yesterday, like, I changed it up. What was it? What day is today? Today's Wednesday. So Tuesday. I changed Monday night about 10:30. I changed everything. And then yesterday, I got 14 orders. 14! I was like, holy crap. Which is a good thing. But it also means that day, I have to ship out 14 things. So, that's a lot. I usually try to do 10 orders a day. So, we'll see how that goes. We'll see. But, just got to keep going and not stopping. I wish this lady would message me back, even though I only messaged her 2 minutes ago, but I need to do her shirt. The people use, like, That was loud. You have emails that you use for like spam stuff, or like when you go to a store and they ask you to sign up for rewards. You have an email you use for that, but that's not usually an email you get notifications from. Like, it's not on your phone. Like, at least turn your Etsy notifications on, something. Like, what am I supposed to do? I'll have to do something else for now, so I'm gonna try something different. No, I don't think I can. I'm just gonna pretend to touch everything and then start working. Tend to touch first, package, and then work. Even though I feel like that kind of wastes a little time because the machine can be running. But when I try to multitask, it takes longer to tend to touch than it should. Maybe I'll just do like the numbers for like the unicorns stuff and then just leave it at that. Yeah. That's the thing. Oh, I don't know if I want to start a shirt because then what if she messages me back when I'm starting the shirt? Hey guys, it's been a wow. It is 1:30. I packaged up the stuff from earlier. It's already gone. They already picked it up. The one person never messaged me back about the number they want on their shirt. So I haven't done that shirt. So far I've gotten almost 8 total shirts done. I ate lunch. And I cut my tutus. Let me turn the camera around. I have to make 5 tutus. Luckily, they're all the same color. I try to do it like that, so if it's the same tutu, I try to make them all on the same day to make it easier versus having to switch a bunch of colors. So that's usually how I organize it. So 5 of these, somehow gonna get these done today, hopefully. There's something stuck in there. And then this shirt just finished. That's why it's so quiet in here. And these are the shirts that are done. I'll probably tend to touch those in the morning. The only way I'll tend to touch those tonight is if my husband wants to play his video games, which he plays right down here. If he wants to play those, then I will just come down here anyway. So if I'm already down here, I might as well do that. This shirt just stopped. The thread broke. It always breaks on the leaf flower things every time. So since it had stopped, I was like, well, I might as well pick up the camera real quick and give you guys an update. So I'm gonna see how long it takes to make these tutus. I have to start another shirt first, fix that one, and then I will come back and let you guys know when I start, and then we see how long it takes to make 5 ribbon trims. We'll see. All right. Okay, it is 1:55. I'm getting ready to go in there and start working on the back of the floor first, then I'll start the tutu. So let's see how long it takes. I take that back. So right when I was starting the tutu, my daughter called me. So I am now going to start the tutu, and it is 2:20. So let's see how long it takes. Okay, it is now 3:30, and I have finished sewing all the tutus. I just did not finish. I got to put all the waistbands on them. This is what they look like right after you finish sewing them. Let me turn the camera around before they're done. There's a big pile of them over there. It was quicker because most of these are 6 to 12 month 6 to 12 month tutus. There's one tutu, which I already strung and put it on the waistband. So this one they gotta string all of these, put them on the waistbands, and then make bows and then hot glue the end together. So we'll see how long that takes. I am finished for today. I finished all the tutus. They're all done. Luckily, all 5. They all string. They're on bows, blah, blah. So, sorry, my Etsy keeps going off. So, I'm done. My husband is picking up 5 guys, and he's there now. And they're like, oh, we don't have your order. But they did. So, okay. But I'm getting 5 guys, and that is it. Here are the tutus. There's 4 of them. These are the 6 to 12 month tutus. And then here is the tutu. And there's one shirt that I finished. The other shirt. And then I just have a bunch here. I'll try to touch them in the morning.